our sincere and Kalangan and also Pohnpei to our ethnic partners for this evening. Not just this evening, but for the first time we came here to Mark, we've been seeing all the hospitality and all the good food that we've been taking all this time. I feel really not only happy, but also sad because some of our good-looking ladies that came with us, they come fat. So when they go back, they probably buy some good food. But anyway, I'm not going to say more than that. But I want to say thank you for all the good food you guys have been feeding us. But with that, I also want to express and acknowledge Senior Wanparan Pohnpei and also the other Wanparan working to just and all the other Songpoa, Ligan, Walkan, Jerigan, Pohnpei for all this time they will be into the first time we came yesterday till now, probably for tomorrow and then all through the week. Again, once again on the behalf of our reverend and the choirs, our traditional leaders that they came with us to Kalangan. Thank you very much.
bayra o dagarayan tayo. O isa sigurado ito. Kamiti, na yay ice cream. Wow, yawi ice cream. Mana rai ni bila orang ada, yawi yawi. Sini rasa, mungkin saya lah, saya beli momos, mungkin.
In order to answer a request from your leaders, I think there is no problem for you. We also have the power for that building right now. We can use it. But thanks to the kindness of the person who provide the lines. We have the power line running down to the building. We can use for the time being, for Monday, we can use the building. We will invite everyone in the community to witness, like the references, with the support and kindness of our good Lord, everything is possible. So don't worry. You can even use the field if you think it is enough. But for the time being, thank you. I don't know what to say, but Pohnpei very much for what you have done tonight. Even the kids, they enjoy showing how much money they got for what they did. Thank you very much. I haven't seen my wife dance like that. I thought that she's bad at dancing, but tonight I found out she's okay. Thanks to you. You gave her the power to shake the pool. Thank you very much. I let our chairman to say a few words, and also our one is the leader for our program activities for this week. But before I gave it to him or them, I would like you to know that tomorrow our services, morning service, will be from your group. And in the evening service will be by Management System. Then on Monday, Tuesday, and I think Wednesday, we'll go the other way around. Instead of you taking care of the worship services on the morning, you can also tomorrow. We start service tomorrow. I am sure that you will be ready for. I think that is all I want to announce it to you. So you can prepare. I'll give it to our chairman, Watson. He is Minister, Lay Minister Rati Robert. Thank you, Mr. Rati.
I think there's not much to say because we have witnessed a lot of entertainment. I think that it's God's plan, so I think it's more than adequate, but let me just take up this responsibility to say just a few words. First and foremost, I would like to express again my thanks and gratitude to our Heavenly Father, and also express again to you all the members of the congregation from Pohnpei our sincere gratitude and appreciation for everything or every kind of presentation that you have displayed or exhibited for these 2 days. It is very true that, or it is very, what the senior pastor mentioned a while ago is very true. We have never seen some of our members of our congregation so happy. They really showed. Even my wife stepped up out of her comfort zone or shy box. So with that, we really want to, I really want to, on behalf of the whole congregation of MAN, thank you for everything. And I would like to take this time to say a few words in English so I can express also the church's gratitude to the people who hosted, so bear with me. Nasa kuwalianti, sa muli ka pa sir, sa katang kapuno and senior pastor, kapag kailangan ng kumasi, umonso, sa umonso paros, pasangin na kumasi yun, kasaleta, kumasi kupur pa rin, nakawit church, Samo, isaw sa kinayaw masuk ke purba, sesuai dengan tamen, sansal, mesek pada kaso-kasoan, sekadar pertanyaan. May kamera lepa, and kau kalangan makarit aksasi. Kas kasaleta, prosasi, may sansal mau, dan kaperet, may kamera lepa, may pikumasyon ng kamera lepa, kau na magkaroon ng tama sansal. Ay sa kalansan, pasang senior, kuya esasyon ng kapungkalangan, ang kamitiyo na paliwanag, meron, one stretchers, isang pataksalan, nasalan ng mga kamitiparos, kailangan pumasi, ay pagsasi sa kuya pa, kauno na rin makakachini, isang paros, kailangan pumasi na mami moment namin sa liwan sa taon. So again, once again, I would like to thank you all, and on expressing that if there's anything that all of you need or anyone among you, your group need, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be always available 24/7 to assist you. So, because we have security people roaming around every night, and they will be attending to their duties for the duration of your stay. So please do not hesitate to ask for anything if you need assistance. I also forgot to mention some things last night, and I think you already know, but I would just like to say that we also have some bathrooms downstairs, which is on that way, outside of this building. And also the households, every household in this village is also for you while you are staying here or in this village. So please feel free. Once again, good evening, and thank you all for listening.
Go.